Knowing when to replace your tires is extremely important, especially in wet and snowy weather. But how much tread do you need to have on your tires to operate your vehicle safely in various road conditions? Using pocket change, if the tread covers part of Lincoln's head, the tire exceeds the legal minimum of 2/32 of an inch. If using a quarter, covering part of Washington's head will put you at a minimum of 4/32 of an inch. On this tread depth gauge, we can see this tire is at 10/32. Now let's see how the bare minimum of 2/32 will stop the same vehicle at the same speed in the same road conditions. Though the legal minimum is 2/32 of an inch, we recommend at least 4/32 in wet weather and 5/32 in snow. Visit us online anytime to schedule a service appointment and experience the Crossley difference.